Hi, my name is Lisa DeJesus and I own ADU Gurus. Today I'm going to talk to you about surveys and soils reports. When are they warranted? When you're building an ADU, you're allowed to build as close as 4 feet to the property line. So those are called your setbacks. The rear setback and the side setback, that distance from your property line to where you can build the ADU is 4 feet. When you're in a tight space like that and you are going to be building 4 feet from those setbacks, oftentimes the city will require that we provide a survey of the property. And it's because we want to be certain that the distance is appropriate. Oftentimes our fence lines, where the fence is, or where there's an imaginary line of where your property line might be, is incorrect, or it could be off ever so much. There's nothing like getting through the city with a set of plans and only to get a correction back that requires us to get a survey. Something to think about. An architect will often tell us that they would like to have a survey so that their plans, the placement of the ADU can be correct on that. So a survey is often required when we're in a tight space. Um, the other thing that can happen is we can be required to have a soils report. What is a soils report? A soils report, what we're looking for is a compaction rate, how dense the dirt is. And oftentimes, as you might imagine, we would need a soils report when the property may be on a cliffside or maybe have an elevation and the edge of the backyard terminates in a hillside. So we don't know if the dirt is compacted enough, well enough to support an ADU, and it would require a soils report. What does that look like? A contractor or somebody digs a hole, a 4x4 hole in your backyard of a certain depth, and a soils engineer will take the sample of the soil and they will conduct a test, and it will tell us uh, in a soils report what that compaction rate is and if that's acceptable for building. Um, so surveys cost about $6,000, and soils reports can cost between $1,800 and $3,500. These are examples of certain preparation documentation that we sometimes need to build an ADU. If you have questions about your property and you'd like to know what you can build, where you can build on your property for an ADU, simply give us a call or click the link below. Thanks so much, and we look forward to the next time we see you.